Hello techies. As part of interview series, in this session we will learn what types of knowledge sources can be connected in Copilot Studio. In Microsoft Copilot Studio, knowledge sources are external or internal data sources that our Copilot or agent can use to answer user queries intelligently. Now, let me explain you the different types of knowledge sources that can be connected in Microsoft Copilot Studio. Before that, let me switch to the browser and then I'm going to navigate to copilotstudio.microsoft.com. On the left hand side, you can see the navigation bar. Let me click on the agents and there we are going to select any one of the agent. I'm going to select the agent that is Banking Email Service Assistant. Now, to have the different knowledge sources, I'm going for the tab that is Knowledge tab. Let me click on that. And after that, you will find the option over here to add the knowledge sources to the agent. I'm going to select Add Knowledge. And there you will find different types of knowledge sources over here. All right. First, we'll have public website. Copilot can connect to external websites and use their content to answer user queries by using public website. This is commonly used for customer support scenarios where information is already available on company websites. Next one, we have files and documents. There you can see I'm having upload file where you will click on the upload file. There you can go ahead and you can upload the documents or files. We can upload files such as PDFs, Word documents, Excel sheets, and PowerPoint presentation. The Copilot can read and extract knowledge from these documents, making it useful for internal policies, training materials, and manuals. Third one, we are having enterprise storage systems like SharePoint and OneDrive. This allows Copilot to access organizational knowledge stored in a centralized location, ensuring employees get accurate and up-to-date information. Another important source is Microsoft Dataverse. Microsoft Dataverse is used for structured data. Copilot can retrieve specific information such as customer details, order status, or transactional data based on user queries. We also have APIs and external systems integration. There you can see I'm having search for the knowledge source. Let me go for the connector. There you can see I'm having n number of connectors. Using connectors, Copilot can interact with the systems like CRM or ERP platforms to fetch real-time data or even perform actions like creating tickets or updating records. In addition, we can integrate AI-powered services like Azure Open AI services. This enhances the Copilot's ability to understand natural language, perform semantic search, and generate intelligent responses from large datasets. And finally, we have custom topics. These are manually created conversational flows where we define specific triggers and responses. They are useful for handling predefined scenarios and business rules. To summarize, Copilot Studio supports multiple knowledge sources including websites, documents, enterprise storage, structured databases, APIs, and AI services. This combination enables building powerful, intelligent, and context-aware copilots. Alright, I hope you understand what are the different types of knowledge sources can be connected in Copilot Studio theoretically and practically as part of this tutorial.